This is one of my few monthly customers. I don't usually accept too many monthly customers, but I got a couple of them. And this is, we just did a mini detail package on here. We usually do 2 of these nice folks' car. So we did the inside and out, windows washed inside and out. Went ahead and restored all the rubber, all of the plastic inside and out. And they have a pet, so we removed all the pet hair, restored the seats back to normal, all of the rubber, doors finished, cleaned door jambs, all the door jambs all the way around. This is a tough car to do because of the color, and it's got so many details. It's a Lexus, so it's full of surprises all the time. Mats, clean the mats and put a nice protective dressing on those. Everything that you see has been touched. All this rubber, all the rubber all the way around. It's nice and soft. We do this every month for this, but we don't normally do a mini detail package. We just wash and do the windows. But this time, I suggested a mini detail package because it really needed it. And we waxed it probably like last December or somewhere around there in November. And the wax job is still excellent. They don't run this through a automated car wash, so wax stays fresh. We clean the wheel wells real good every single time, get them nice and new again. The wheels, get all the dust and brake dust out of the inner rim, which is very important, so it stays nice and clean. And the wheels are beautiful wheels on here. The other car that we usually do is right here. We didn't have to do anything. Haven't even used it at all. But we usually do both cars the same day. And it's a Lexus too. The car practically drives itself. Of course, he's a very particular person, which is most of our customers. Nice and clean back here, fully dressed and vacuumed, and it's ready for the dogs to get back in. You guys have a great day. And just Google, Facebook, YouTube, World Wide Web, Port Angeles-Sequim, Washington. Put that in, and you'll get then you just put in the car wash man. And have a great day.